Okay, y'all, today I'm making homemade Italian beefs. I just unthawed it a little. It's still a little frozen, but that's okay. And I got this French roll bread. And I'm gonna do some French fries. Okay, y'all, this is how it looks when you first open it. We just gotta warm it up. It's basically already done. You just gotta heat it up. But I like to cook mine well done and then season it a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, y'all, this is what it's looking like in a pot. Like I said, it's still like frozen, but once I turn the heat on it, it's gonna melt down. Well, it's gonna cook down. Yeah, don't be like me. Let it unthaw all the way. See, I should have took it out last night. But it's fine. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. And y'all making these sausages to go with it. Make it like a combo. These are the hot ones. Tastes really good with the Italian beefs. Air fry a couple of these. So I may not want no Italian beef. Showing too much air from, so I'm just make 2 sausages. I told y'all the meat was gonna cook down. Look at it. Looking good, right? Okay, y'all, I'm about to run and get Barbara from school. It's right across the street. I just turned the food all the way down on low because I still want to keep it cooking. Yeah, so I'll see y'all when we get back in the house. I don't know if Velva is going to eat the Italian beef, but I'm gonna see if she want to eat it. But my mom is actually coming over, so she said she's gonna get some chicken. So I had chicken too. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all when I get back in the house. Y'all, we back in the house. My hair look a mess, honey. I need to wash my hair. Sure do. Really? Anyways, y'all, look what was on my door.
What does that mean?
Noise complaint.
Huh?
So I know they ain't talking about me. I just know they ain't talking about me.
What?
They can't be talking about me.
What is that?
Noise complaint. Talking about we make too much noise.
I know they do not.
Exactly. We don't make noise, first off.
Except for TV along if we can't hear it.
That's not, no.
That's not really noise. It's
No.
just TV.
So I know they ain't talking about Diva because Diva don't.
Diva don't really
She
bark.
don't, no.
She
So,
just want us.
I'm gonna investigate and see if anybody else got this note because I can report
I
some
really
people.
wish you wasn't here.
I can report
I
some
just
people
want to rip it so bad.
being loud, but I won't be on it.
I want to kill it. I want to kill it.
So I know they ain't talking about me, but we just gonna.
I just want to kill it.
We gonna ignore that. We gonna let it go. So I know they ain't talking about me. This will be the second time, but the last time it was me. It was Diva. It was Diva. I had went to the hospital and I left Diva all night. Y'all, I was really sick. I think I told y'all about that when I had COVID, when COVID first came out. So that one was valid, but still don't do that. So we're gonna let this one go. I'm gonna do some investigation and see.
Next time I'm gonna rip this because I really want to.
Okay, y'all. The sausages are cooking. I'm just gonna flip them over. Okay, y'all, the meat is cooking, honey. I'm just gonna season it and then let it simmer.
It's flour stuff.
So y'all know I like this seasoning. I'm gonna put a little bit of this I'm gonna put a little bit of this seasoning. So y'all know I like this seasoning. I put it on everything now. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the meat. I don't want it to taste like weird or whatever. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on there. And I normally just put this total seasoning on it when I make it, but I'm gonna put both. I'm gonna just give it a little kick, just a little bit more. Just a little bit, y'all. Y'all don't need that much seasoning on it because it's already like seasoning. But y'all know how we are. We need something seasoned, so. And then just a little bit of this one. Just a little bit. And we're gonna give it a good stir. Okay, those sausages just went off. I'm going to turn them over. But yeah, y'all don't need to put that much seasoning on the meat. But as you go, you can like taste it and then season it to your liking. That's what I do. So yeah. And then I'm just gonna let it cook for about 10-15 more minutes and it'll be done. So yeah, with these sausages, I like mine to be like well done. So I'm gonna let them burn a little bit. Just a little bit. We're gonna let them burn. And then they'll be done. Oop. Okay, y'all, sausages are getting done. I'm gonna burn like I like them. The meat is cooking, looking real good. We got about 5 more minutes with the meat. Here we go. We're gonna send us some meat. Okay, y'all, gonna try the meat.
See what happened? See what happened?
Bobby, you wanna try the meat?
No. Mom, where y'all from? No.
Put in that seasoning on it. Took it up a notch. It tastes so much better. Like, so my mama brought chicken, y'all. Ooh, it looks so good. Right, you better come get some of the chicken. Ooh, it looks good.
Come on, girl. What you say?
Okay, y'all, this is how I like them burnt. And the meat is done, y'all.
Oh, she won't let you use
It's done.
it.
Yeah, this is one plate I made. They wanted chips, so I gave them chips. They're Italian beef with cheese, mayonnaise, and hot peppers. Okay, y'all, so Forever is having an assessment on her red words, so I have to cut these up and then we're gonna practice.
Why do I just don't want to be seen.
You be singing too? Oh. I know, I didn't have none either.
I got lipstick, I got lipstick, I got lipstick, I got lipstick.
I think she said the 19th. Okay, y'all, this is the first word. What word is it?
Here.
Good job.
Of.
Yeah.
On. They're both make the right sound. Little. Put.
What? No, that's not put. That's not put.
Let me see.
Wait, let me show them. That's not put.
Wait.
Sound it out.
Oh, that's easy.
What is it? If it's easy.
I said it.
What is it? Take. Okay. Okay, y'all. I am doing a seafood boil today. Y'all know I always get this seafood bag, the 2-fish one. This is actually my favorite one. I always get it. Comes with shrimp, snow crab legs, corn and potatoes and stuff like that. So we're gonna do this. I don't know how I'm gonna cook it. I think I'm gonna put it in the oven, put everything in the oven and make it like that this time. I think I did like that last time too. So I think that's what we're gonna do, y'all. I'm excited. This is the first seafood boil of the year.
Look, what ain't no way I made a way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. What a good day to get paid today. What ain't no way I made a way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Hey, hey. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Hey. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Hey. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away.
Hey, y'all, that's my birthday on that. Is that a coincidence? 3/9/2025. That is a coincidence. Cause God's trying to tell me something. That's my birthday. I didn't expect this is my birthday. When I see like stuff like this, I feel like that's a sign. What you trying to tell me, God? Okay, I see that.
Finna make a cool nigga get moody. Yeah, I'm on my whole last trip, I'm an expedition. Play it once, better get an extra listen. Cool as an unused pillar side, we vilify, but we still a ride. It ain't shit, no Pepto. Made plays with the petro, talking to a doer, not a preacher. Booming in the street like I'm booming in the speaker. Truest in the game, still a student and a teacher. Fuck with a nigga like a state trooper. Grown ass lame, you a late bloomer. Fly as a young nigga ought to be. My feature price like a law degree. I make real nigga anthems, turn foes into phantoms, turn words to a good life. Really is what it look like. Got a nigga shook like, hit him with the hook like. What ain't no way I made a way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. What a good day to get paid today. What ain't no way I made the way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Hey, hey. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Ayy. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Ayy. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Ayy. Ayy. Ball on the fuck, nigga. Yeah. Tryna get a new S4, keep it low key, swift. I gotta move, let's know. Hop up in the smooth press, go every stoplight, making sure my tune turned on. Could never go broke, tryna chase no Jones. By every move I make, they trace my phone. If it ain't face to face, ain't nothing going on. If you can't match the pace, or work won't take you. Give a bitch no life alert, can't save you. Better ask Jesus if that's your savior. When I was broke, like legs on dining room tables. Once a while I eat, but still unstable. Live with no friends or bros or next door neighbors that I could call up on and ask no favors. So when I get on, it's a mountain of stunting I gotta do. Every point like credit I gotta prove. Been appointed as head of the state, found out I'm a jewel. I was pushing as long as it takes till I got a groove. Can't abandon how the home plate raised you. Keep it cool, cadet, it ain't that major. Feel like Michael Scott, I love this paper so much I can't delay. I got things to say, cause once you made a way, they can't that phase you. You gotta make a way, they can't that phase you. I swear.
Well, ain't no way I made a way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. What a good day to get paid today. Well, ain't no way I made a way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Ay, ay. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Ay. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away.
Hey, so y'all, we got free groceries. Free groceries. Super excited. I got me some free groceries. Listen. So my insurance company paid for me to see a nutritionist, and it was like, if you book an appointment with your nutritionist, you complete your appointment, we'll give you $50 in groceries. Who was gonna take that? Who was gonna take that? Like, what? So the thing is, I always wanted a nutritionist, always, and I'm like, this year when I have my yearly appointment, I'm gonna talk to my doctor about all this and see if he can give me a nutritionist. So y'all, I think it was like three weeks into the new year, and my insurance company texted me three times, and the third time I'm like, I'll just see what this is about. And it was about getting a nutritionist, and like the appointments, they'll give you like money for food. So I'm like, okay, because the first two times I ignored it. Like when my insurance company texts me about stuff, and it always be healthy stuff, so I read it and then I just ignore it. But the third time, I actually took the time to read it and understand it or whatever. And it was about getting a nutritionist, and they'll give you money for free food. Like I said, I always wanted a nutritionist. So I made the appointment. I talked to her, and it was amazing. I absolutely love her, and I actually made an appointment. I have to actually make an appointment to talk to her again. But the thing is, she's like booked up. So it's like, I want her. Like, I felt like me and her had a connection. And we got the same name. Spell it the exact same way. Like, how crazy is that? How crazy is that? Spell it the exact same way, the same thing. And, when my insurance company made my appointment with her, they was like, you're not going to believe this. Your nutritionist actually has the same name, you spelled the same way and everything. And I'm like, that is crazy. That doesn't sound from God. So then when me and her got on the phone and talked, she was like, that is so crazy, we got the same name. I'm like, right, that is so crazy. So it was destined for me to get a nutritionist and everything. Like, I don't know, I just feel like God is speaking to me. Like, I'm very spiritual, and I don't talk about stuff like that on my channel because I just don't. But really, Diva, she crawling on the chair, military style. Like, why would you do that when you just walk around? Anyway, I've been trying to book an appointment with her, but she's booked up. So she booked up for the rest of February, so I'm gonna do one for probably March. Whatever. Anyways, let me show y'all what I got. I just wanted to tell y'all that. I don't know, I just felt compelled to tell y'all about that. So let me show you what I got. Got some chicken breast, and by the way, you can only get stuff that they pay for. Well, you can only get certain things that they pay for, and they only do it through coupons. which I probably should have got a thick cut because I want to do chicken sandwiches, and I think these will be good with my chicken sandwiches. I probably just have to make 2 grapes, which Fava is gonna be like, what is this? I got these for Fava, and she gonna be like, what is this? Y'all, she gonna eat these in one day. So a dragon fruit because Fava wanted to try dragon fruit, so I got her a dragon fruit. Hopefully she liked it. I got some catfish because I do want to make some catfish one day this week. I've been drinking these kombucha drinks, and I really wanted to try this one, so I got this. Like, this looks like it tastes good, don't it? Like, it looks like it tastes real good. I can't wait to try this one. Of course, I'm gonna let y'all know. Some cooking oil to cook my chicken breast and my fish. And the thing is, all of that was like $49. Well, included in like the taxes and everything kind of amounts to $49 and like 17 cents. So that was perfect. The $50 they gave me was perfect. So yeah, and it was free shipping too. So, but anyways, y'all, I just want to say y'all that yeah, and I think for every follow-up appointment you do, it's like I want to say $25. I think it's $25. Either $25 or $15. One of them. But I am going to be doing my follow-up appointments because that extra money helps. And then the nutritionist, she really like helped. She really seemed like she knew what she was talking about. So I am going to keep seeing my nutritionist, whether it's her or they give me somebody else. I am going to keep seeing my nutritionist because I really wanted to do that anyway, and y'all know I'm on my whole weight gain, trying to gain weight, trying to maintain my weight, wellness, fitness journey. So, yeah. So I think I'm gonna make me some a chicken sandwich. So I guess we're gonna make us a chicken sandwich. Yeah. I have to say. Okay, y'all. These chicken breasts are cooking. So this is how it might be okay with one. We don't see. Okay, y'all, this is my chicken sandwich. And on TikTok, I'm watching Risa Tessa talk about the F Did I Marry. It's really good. I highly suggest you guys go and watch it. But this is my chicken burger. It's so good. I just got cheese, onions, and lettuce, and mayonnaise. And seasoned fries. So good.